Hi, this is Larry Madrid, and I'm a geotechnical engineer practicing in Central Florida. We want to show you a small-scale demonstration project of a technology called CONSOLID, which is a chemical means of stabilizing road base. Now we've installed a small plot next to our parking lot here in Bartow, Florida.
Okay, good morning everyone. I'm here at Madrid Engineering's office, and we are going to be finishing up our test plot that has CONSOLID in it. This area, which is about 3 foot by 7 foot, has already had about 8 inches of CONSOLID placed in it. We've put a frame around the outside. It's going to be a permanent frame so that there's some confinement on it, and we're going to compact this sand shown right here into this hole. So in doing that, we're going to be adding CONSOLID to this material, and CONSOLID is a two-part mix. This is CONSOLID 444 liquid in its state that is the concentration that is recommended for field work. You can see that it's a little bit like a viscous liquid. So when contractors put this material in the ground, they actually will dilute it. So we're going to dilute this right now and into this little container over here. Go ahead and do that. And next to that is the CONSOLID solid material. It's called solid dry. And I'm just going to show you, it's a powder, very, very fine. And you know, it kind of looks like that. It's a very, very fine powder. So we're going to mix, and we previously calculated these volumes, and we're going to mix them into the soil right there. Okay, the solid dry has been placed in there almost completely, and Bill's still spraying a little bit, but we've added some of the solid dry now. Excuse me, the 444 was placed, and now we're adding the solid dry. It's a little dusty. I don't know if you can see that from the video, but it's not so bad. Of course, if this were done with a mixer in the field, it would be underneath the shield. Now they're mixing in at 2% CONSOLID dry, and the quantities were precisely measured of the volume of the soil, the weight of the water within the soil, subtracting that out to get the dry weight, and coming up with the percent on a dry weight basis to get to a good mix. It's starting to look pretty good over here. Okay, so we've added a little bit more solid dry. We're at about halfway on the bucket here, and you guys are starting to mix again, and we'll keep you posted. Okay, now we've scarified the surface. We moisture prepped it so that it was not going to suck the water out of this. And now we're adding some fill as backfill in place. And we're going to be using a compactor to compact this as one layer. We're going to put all of the fill in first. Okay, got the compactor, and it's starting to compact. Been about a week since we installed our little test plot over here at Madrid Engineering. I'm going to show you how strong this thing has become. This is a pocket penetrometer. It goes from 0 to 5 tons per square foot, and has a little spring on it that makes it work. Just test this. There is, just checking it out, there's almost no mark right there.
and we've maxed it out at 5 tons per square foot. Obviously no penetration. The dark area over here was where water was ponding, and it's been raining just about every day here in Central Florida. And again, completely maxed out, no issues there. It's extremely hard. I mean, a very hard surface. Here again, it's not even leaving a mark anywhere. And so we have a very hard surface. Now we're going to run a few more tests on this, but we're very satisfied that this is going to be an excellent driving surface for our parking lot.